Maximus Analysis here for August 15th, 2016, and we're looking at the ES on the daily time frame. And you can see that they're coming into a target area versus a start position area for me. So again, the target area is 2184, 2186. Again, looking for them to get back below. If you are a subscriber to the newsletter, you know exactly what this box is. This box is last week's action. Nothing. So again, we'll continue to make sure that we are looking at a higher time frame, like a weekly, just to make sure that we are not getting ahead of ourselves in regards to how bullish everyone is getting. There is a time and a place, and now is not the time to be starting a long position. If you were trading this on the 5-minute, let's say we just used this, and this was, instead of being weekly bars, this was 5-minute bars, would you start along here? Probably not. You probably wait for a pullback. Now the difference is that some people will rather wait for a pullback because they could say one could happen within 30 to 45 minutes versus they're going to have to wait 3 to 5 weeks for a pullback on the weekly. Don't use the same type of rules. A chart is a chart, and apply them accordingly. So we'll continue to watch and see what this is doing. But again, you had some funny business today with the ES and the VIX both being green. Go figure. Let's see what happens. NQ is continuing to move higher. Again, clearing above all levels, but again, not an area that I would like to go long. I would actually prefer to go long at the 4600 area. YM, again, we will always look at this, but again, it's the Dow is something that I'm not really entertained on playing with because it's just 30 stocks that can be moved around a lot. Next thing that we're going to look at is actually a very good follow through with the crude, and this is on the weekly chart, and we just really need to see it break above this 46-47 area, and then they go to run for that 50 area. So right now, so far so good. If you took the signal that I was stating 2 weeks at the beginning of August, definitely go risk free right now, meaning you put your stop at break even or about here, and you can continue to ride this one up. Again, you could take profits, or you can wait until it reaches around the $49 level. Clearing that $47 level continues the bullish nature of crude. Now we had gold. Gold really not doing much. Again, it's another sideways position, so I'd rather get back down to this 200-day moving average and our price of 1287.5 to get in. Again, I was in this and I went break even and it stopped me, so I'm just going to continue to watch this name. Due to the painful price action that was going on today, won't use many names, but again, things weren't moving too bad or too good anyway. So let's look at the daily, and we can see that we have Apple continuing to look good on the daily, but on the weekly it's still hitting its head against resistance. Now we want to see how this bar closes, but again, any continued weakness here, and you can see the declining volume against this area, last sell signal. If they break below this previous low, again, I'm still bearish this position because of how much it's moved up, and I shorted all these other times. I'm just was waiting for the pullback, and so be it. So we'll continue to watch for that one. Tesla ended up just kind of sideways, but on the weekly, on the daily, it is giving sort of a shooting star setting up, but this price is so sideways that you have to put your stop above here. So it's about a $10 stop, 50 delta will give you about 500 bucks risk. So continue to watch that one, and again, keep your powder dry if you don't like to short. Okay, Google ended up down $1.09, and I'm bearish this name due to I'm leveraging again this 821 area, and again, it's been up about 7 weeks in a row, so I'm expecting a pullback. Doesn't have to be anything crazy, just definitely gonna feel it's gonna break that $800 level and give me a better position to get back long, but I would not be starting a position here. So again, very boring day, but again, you don't short a boring market. But right now I think we're very extended and setting up nicely for the retracement. That's my bias, and I'm not going to do both sides of the fence. I'm going to tell you exactly why I am bearish this, and you guys should be bearish too, in my personal opinion. Only way you're not bearish is if you currently have a long position on from the Brexit and you're just rolling up your stop to get and honestly, I think that you should just be pulling off a majority of it and just have it to a pure runner position, meaning that if, let's say you bought 5 contracts, you sell off 4 and have 1 at break even, or 1 plus 1 or 2 bucks, 3 bucks, whatever the price is, to kind of lock in the profits. But again, we'll continue to watch these names and not let this very, very painful price action get us into anything that is grinding up higher but with no type of conviction. And the price, I mean, 3 weeks ago, again, the high was 72.20. It's only in, this is the 4th week, getting above that 14 S&P points. So we'll consider that. Again, this candle is very open in regards to the week just started, so we'll continue to watch, but I definitely feel that the retracement is coming. Take care.